Hello, everyone. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ghaneva. It's been a long time I've been on the screen, and I'm so happy to be back to give you insights on mini importation, personal development, and business tips. Today's episode, we are going to talk about how to get legit suppliers on sustainability. So you should know that everywhere we have fake people around who want to take advantage of other people. So you should also know sustainability, you can get frauds there. You will just send them their money, your money to them to give you in return of your goods, but you won't get them. That's why I'm filming this episode, and it was also inspired by one of my subscribers, one of my audience, about a post I made in our community. This is the screenshot, and she was saying she's already into this business and I should film a video on how to get legit suppliers on Sustainability. So let's get right into it. So today episode, you should know on Sustainability we have training company and we have manufacturing companies. So the trading company or the departmental store, sorry, the trading company or the departmental stores. I can't kill myself. Departmental stores. So the trading company or the departmental stores, they buy from the manufacturers, that's in China companies, and they sell them. So it's like you are a seller and just take things and you sell them. That's how the departmental or the trading company or the store does. And the manufactured companies, they make them. So you should know that on 1688, you have the manufacturers there and you have the trading companies around there too. So you should know that I'm buying from the trading company, that's a store, or I'm buying from a manufacturer. Please forgive me, okay? I'm just being myself here. I'm not going to fake. So let's continue our talk. So something that can help you to know the difference between the trading company or the manufacturing company. For the manufacturing company, their name comes first, then the company, the region that they are in follows. So this is an example here. And we have another video on how to translate them, so you can check them here and watch them. So let's get into it. I'm having 6 steps here I've written down here on how to get legit suppliers on Sustainability. The first step is to check the number of transactions or the transaction rate. So you should check the number of transaction or the transaction rate. So someone will ask, what does that mean? All that I mean is when you see this screenshot right here, you will get to know we have some 50 here, we have this year, we have this year. That means that some people are buying more from this particular supplier and some too are not buying more from this particular supplier. So you should always buy from those who are getting more people to buy from them. Transaction rate means that the number of people who have bought or who are buying something from that supplier, it means people who are buying from them, then it means that that supplier is very legit. The second step I have here is to check the number of years. Always buy from suppliers who are 3 years and above. So when you are buying from the suppliers, you should check the number of years. Now you would ask, how do I check the number of years? Here is how to check the number of years. This is how to check the number of years. So you check the years, and if the years are not 3 and above, my dear, please don't venture because you are a beginner and you don't know how to go about this and that. So that's another way to get a legit supplier. Another way is to check product review. Most people will buy from suppliers without checking the review. Review simply means that people who have bought from them and how they like their product, they are expressing that in the comments about the product. So someone might say, I got this product and the package was very bad. Please sorry for the background noise, okay? So someone might say, I got this product and it is very bad. Someone might say, oh, this product is very good. I love it. I love it. That's what I'm talking about. So when you are checking and you just see something that a customer is saying something bad about the product, my dear, don't buy. Don't buy. If you see any small thing that someone is saying about the product and it's very bad, you shouldn't buy from that particular product. Let's take two examples of products I'm talking about. So we have one here and we have one here. Now you check the two differences and you see this one has a good comment, this one has a bad product review, and I tell you don't buy, they are not legit. You get the same thing. Okay. Another step is you should understand the MOQ before buying. MOQ means minimum order of quantity. So some people sell their products starting from 2, others sell starting from 1, others sell starting from 10, others sell starting from 5. So you should understand before you buy things from them. Now someone would ask, how does this comply to the alleged supplier? Because some will say they buy at 1, but when you give them the money after that, they will tell you, no, we don't sell at 1. So you should understand the MOQ. Let the supplier understand, please, is it 1? He said, oh, okay, it's 1, then I'm buying it already. So you should know the MOQ. Don't go and buy 3 and the MOQ is 5 and now you're requesting back your money. It doesn't work that way, my dear. Another step you can also check is check the return rate and not less than 20%. So the return rate simply means people buy and they come back again to buy. That's what return rate means. Now, if you want to know how to check return rates, this is how to check a return rate. Yes, that's how to check a return rate. So you should check the return rate, and if it is less than 20%, my dear, don't buy. That's simply how you can get a legit suppliers. Getting legit supplier doesn't mean you should go to your different importer, then ask their legit suppliers, ask their contacts and the rest and the rest and the rest. It's a few things that you will check that will help you know that you are buying from a good supplier or you're not buying from a good supplier. Another one is don't buy too cheap products. Many people will be doing videos and they will be like, I ordered this, but I didn't get the same thing simply because you bought two cheap things. Something that costs, let's say, 100 Ghana cedis here, and you get it in China about 50 Ghana cedis, and you just saw another product and it is 10 Ghana cedis, and you just bump into it and you are buying it. You should know, no, it doesn't work in that way. When you are buying, you shouldn't buy too cheap, of course. Everything there is very cheap. Everything on 1688, they are very, very cheap. That's why I buy most of my things there. But when you are buying, you should know that you shouldn't buy too cheap things. If you see this thing and it's too cheap, you shouldn't buy them. Buy something that's expensive a little bit, but when it comes to your country, you compare them, you would know that in your country it is not that expensive like it is on 1688. Another thing that you should know is have the right mindset. I believe that if you want to thrive in business, if you want to thrive in a relationship, if you want to thrive in every aspect of your life, then you need to get a very right mindset. Of course, it links to getting a legit supplier. You shouldn't always be like, someone will cheat, someone will take my money away, someone will... Have faith in everything you do. In business, if you don't take risk, then how are you going to succeed in this business? So you should also have the right mindset. Now, these are the steps that when you put in place, you are going to get a legit suppliers on 1688, and you just testify on everything I'm saying now. I'll also put suppliers contact in our Telegram page, so you can go and just take the contact. They are verified and I've bought from them before, so you can just buy from them straight away. And when you are buying from suppliers, please buy in small quantities. Don't just buy in big quantities and it will come and you don't like them. Buy in small quantities. Now, when it comes and it's good, then you buy in big quantities. I've already done a video on that. That's here, and you can check them out on the steps I took before importing my things. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumb up, and please like this video, subscribe to us, join our family, so every video that we will upload on this channel, you get it right away. Thank you if you watch me to this part of the video. I will see you soon, and you know how we say it, right? Stay focused. Bye.